In this video, I'll show you how to change your time on a Volvo S60. As you can see, I have a clock here and a clock there, and it can be changed by the same settings. So what you do right here, I have a button called My Car. Press My Car. Then you go to Settings by rotating this guy. Then press OK. Then you go to System Options. Right there. And then the first thing you see time, and time format's the second thing. So you go to time, and here I can toggle between the different and then hit OK, and then toggle it again by rotating this to change the time. Then you confirm OK, and then you also have to go and toggle to the OK button, to the OK symbol right there, and hit OK again. And now you can hit exit and exit all the way out, and you can see that it's 2:14 and 2:14. That's it. Give it a like and you're all set.